Navigating Homeownership, Understanding Benefits When Buying a Property from Your Landlord. Generated by Oracl AI, ready to record. Title options. 1. Buying from landlords, hidden benefits for home buyers, real estate home buying tips. 2. Navigating homeownership, benefits of buying property directly from your landlord, real estate investing property investment. 3. Discover the advantages, home purchase from your landlord explained, first-time homebuyer landlord owner. Thumbnail concept. A clean and professional design with a happy homeowner couple in front of their new house, smiling at the camera. Use bright colors like blue and green to evoke feelings of trust and growth. Add a small text overlay that reads, Buying from landlords, hidden benefits for homebuyers. Hook script. Midnight, on-screen text, are you considering buying a home? 003, voiceover, stop right there. Have you thought about purchasing your future home from its current owner, the landlord? Today, we're diving into the hidden benefits of doing just that. Full video script. 030, B-roll suggestion, show different houses with for sale signs. 032, voiceover, many people don't realize it, but buying a property directly from its landlord can offer some unique advantages for homebuyers. 1 o'clock, B-roll suggestion, show happy homeowners in their new houses. 102, voiceover, first and foremost, buying from a landlord often leads to a more straightforward negotiation process. Landlords are typically motivated sellers, making them more willing to work with you. 2 o'clock, B-roll suggestion, show a handshake between the buyer and seller. 202, voiceover, another benefit is that the landlord might be more flexible on closing costs, repairs, or even the price of the property itself. 3 o'clock, B-roll suggestion, show a financial calculator and spreadsheets with numbers. 302, voiceover, of course, it's essential to do your due diligence and ensure that the property is worth the investment. But buying from a landlord can often mean significant savings for you as a buyer. 4 o'clock, B-roll suggestion, show a real estate agent guiding a client through a house. 402, voiceover, if you're in the market for a home, it's worth considering properties listed by their landlords. With a little research and a good real estate agent on your side, you could find yourself moving into your dream home faster than you thought possible. Video description. First 2 lines. 1. Discover the hidden benefits of buying a property directly from its landlord. Learn how to navigate homeownership with ease in this informative video. 2. Are you considering purchasing a home? Uncover the advantages of buying your future house from the current owner, the landlord. Watch now. Timestamps. 1. Midnight introduction. 2. 030 benefits of buying directly from landlords. 3. 1 o'clock straightforward negotiation process. 4. 2 o'clock flexibility on closing costs and repairs. 5. 3 o'clock financial savings for homebuyers. 6. 4 o'clock conclusion and call to action. Affiliate link placeholders. 1. Affiliate, real estate agent services. 2. Affiliate, mortgage broker. 3. Affiliate, home inspection service. 4. Affiliate, property appraisal. 5. Affiliate, moving and packing services. Hashtags. 1. Real estate tips. 2. Home buying advice. 3. Landlord owner. 4. Property investment. 5. First-time homebuyer. 6. Real estate investing. 7. Homeownership. 8. Mortgage broker. 9. Home inspection. 10. Property appraisal. 11. Moving tips. 12. Packing services. Pinned comment. First comment to pin. Have you ever considered buying a property directly from its landlord? Share your experiences in the comments below. End screen script. 7:30 to 8:50. On-screen text, subscribe for more real estate tips. 7:45, voiceover, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate tips. And be sure to check out our affiliate links in the description below for services that can help you navigate homeownership with ease. 825, Voiceover. Up next, we'll be discussing common mistakes to avoid when buying your first home. Don't miss it.